Forgot your Samsung password and can't unlock your phone? First, if your phone is running a newer Samsung system, try unlocking it with your previous screen lock, because Samsung now allows you to use the old password for a limited time after you change it, so simply enter the earlier PIN or pattern and see if it works. If that doesn't help, the next option is using Samsung's official remote service by going to SmartThings Find, signing in with the Samsung account linked to your phone, selecting the locked device and choosing Erase Data so the phone resets and removes the screen lock, after which you can set it up again and create a new password. If you don't have access to your Samsung account, you can also use Google's Find My Device by visiting the Find My Device website, logging into the Google account on the phone, selecting the device and choosing Factory Reset Device, which will remotely reset the phone and clear the lock so you can access it again after setup. If you still can't unlock your phone or want a more direct way to remove the screen lock, MagPhone Android Unlocker offers a remove screen lock function that supports PIN, pattern, fingerprint and face lock, guiding you through the removal process so you can regain access and set a new lock once the phone is unlocked. To allow the software to work, you'll need to boot your Samsung into recovery mode. You can do this by holding down the power and volume down buttons together until the screen goes black. Then, immediately switch to holding the power and volume up buttons until the Samsung logo appears. When the above screen appears, you have entered recovery mode successfully. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Data or Factory Reset, then press the power button to confirm. Select Wipe Cache Partition, then select Yes to confirm. Select Reboot System Now, and press the power button to confirm. Wait for a while, and your phone will be unlocked.